using the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which I bought yesterday. Here's the tablet. Underneath is the charger, the headphones, the charger, this is the wire, and then it's the safety information. Here's the tablet itself. I'm videoing this with my Tab Pro, which is which I'm using for recording. This is the Tab A. So, there's S Pen. Let's see. %. Of course, the S Pen. Oh, there it is. There's the S Pen. This is the Tab A. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.